इमेजिन, क्लोज योर आइज अप, इमेजिन कि आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो, सामने कोई ऐसा पर्सन बॉल कर रहा है हु इज अ सेलिब्रिटी, कोई भी एक सेलिब्रिटी है जो कि बॉल कर रहा है, ही यू डोंट इवन नो कि ये पर्सन क्रिकेट खेलता था. थिंक ऑफ एनीबडी इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. लेट मी नो व्हेंस यू हैव समथिंग इन माइंड. टेक योर टाइम बट बी क्विक. Done? Perfect. Is it possible? Can I write something on your hand? ठीक है? दूसरा वाला. Extend your hand just like this. Perfect. I want you to take a deep breath. अभी जो भी person है who does not play cricket, think of the first letter. Think of the last letter. See, that's a male, right? कोई male है, right? और किन किन को पता है? What चीज़? तुम्हें पता है? Anybody here? No. ठीक है? I am just ना देखो ना
भैया राम लाल है.
मैंने सबर नहीं हो रहा.
Okay. बोलना मत. But I wrote something down here, right? Get a close up. ठीक है? Close your hand up. See, you never told me. आपने कभी नहीं बताया. And there is no possible way that they will tell me. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि मुझे पता हो. Out of the millions of people right now. What are you thinking of?
That guy's name only.
You can say it.
Chumkila.
Do you mind? Can you open your hand up and have a look?
मेरी नेक्स्ट मैच का स्कोर बताइए.
No. Okay. Thank you. एक सेकंड मैम. अरे it'll be very good. And you'll be comfortable. ठीक है? तो हम आप दोनों से एक क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I'll be asking you, अगर आप एक जगह पे जाते हो घूमने, ठीक है, कोई नहीं आपके साथ, आप अकेले घूमने जाते हो, what would be the place जहां पर आप अभी तक गए नहीं हो? Do you have a place?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the place? You can say it in front of everybody.
Northern Lights.
Netherlands.
Northern Lights.
Northern Lights. Very good. Now, आप Northern Lights देख रहे हो, and immediately आपके सामने एक celebrity आ जाता है, जो कि मतलब आप देखते हो कि oh my God, you're here. कौन है celebrity मैम?
Not Smriti.
Question, she's a celebrity.
हाँ.
Celebrity.
Yes.
Oh, have to tell it?
Yeah, please.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Wow. Now, Northern Lights आप देख रहे हो और शाहरुख खान आपको मिल जाता है, and then she is with you. You put your hand into your pocket और आप देखते हो कि आपके हाथ में कैनेडियन डॉलर्स हैं.
क्या है? Canadian.
डॉलर्स. तो वो डॉलर्स कितने हैं? ट्राई टू गिव अ स्पेसिफिक नंबर. आप अगर आप बोलते हो लाइक $2500, तो 2550 और 59 सेंट्स. लाइक ट्राई टू गिव मी अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक नंबर. इट्स टोटली अप टू यू.
$300 crore.
मारवाड़ी से नंबर.
मतलब एक लेजिटिमेट है ना? Well, you can say it. You can
2969.99.
2969.99.
गाड़ी का नंबर है.
But the thing is, you could have said anything. 2969.99. आपने बोला शाहरुख खान, उससे पहले आपने बोला Northern Lights. Everything I've noted down. You could have chosen literally like infinite possibilities थी इसकी. You could have selected anything. Before anything started, और मैं आ रहा था रास्ते के अंदर, मेरे पास जेब में एक नोटपैड था, राइट? मैंने नोटपैड में से मैंने कुछ लिखा उसके ऊपर, and I took the top paper off and I crushed it, crumple it up. और ये मेरे फादर साहब का वॉलेट है. मैंने इसके अंदर उसको डाल के रख दिया. So if we open the wallet up, और वॉलेट के अंदर मैं अगर इसको खोल के देखता हूँ, एक crumpled piece of paper है सर यहाँ पर, ठीक है? The crumpled piece of paper, मेरी हैंडराइटिंग थोड़ी गंदी है, but if you actually see, इसके ऊपर लिखा है A trip to Northern Lights with Shah Rukh Khan with 2969.99 budget. And this was written. Can I borrow it for a second?
बैटिंग करके इतने 999 बनाए.
Guys, it was paid partnership. He gave me 296.
Exactly. I was about to ask you.
और मुझे भी कट मिला है.
बस वो अगली ट्रिक करते हैं, वो हो गई. वो छोड़ो, अभी छोड़ो. शाहरुख खान साहब मिल जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं. सर कीप इट souvenir. We'll give it a souvenir as to her. There you go, sir. There you go. Manifestation. अच्छा, who among the team do you think is the least adventurous? कि जिसको ऐसे लगेगा कि अगर कोई डरावनी चीज होगी, she'll be like नहीं 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 मैं नहीं करूँगी, मैं नहीं करूँगी। देखो, अच्छा वेट, अरे it'll be really good. It'll be really good. Can we get you on the stage? Okay, give a big round of applause for Rikel. Can you please join me? अरे आओ ना, front shot. मैम, so
भाई जिस तरह से आप कर रहे हो कुछ करना नहीं है।
अरे नहीं, I know you need her right now. Okay, that's fine. How are you people? How are you? Magic show people, magic show. Okay, let's. अच्छा, very simple. Do you know about Russian roulette? कि normally we have a revolver. नहीं, वो Russian. वो पीछे होती है. But the thing is, Russian roulette के अंदर एक revolver होती है. You put a bullet into it. Normally 6 slots होते हैं, तो आप rotate करते हो तो वो कहीं भी चला जाता है. Then you shoot somebody, you shoot yourself, और one lucky guy gets a bullet. Right? वो exact trick हम आपके साथ करेंगे अभी. It'll be very fun. अभी कैसे करेंगे? मुझे guns लाने को मना कर दिया हरलीन ने. I don't know why, but she did. So इसीलिए I do have these staple guns. They're very powerful. अगर आप इसके ऊपर staple करोगे, chances are it will actually almost go to the other side. They're very powerful, right? So these staples just right there, I'm going to pick it up. इतने powerful. I've done this trick 200 times. और जब भी मैं इसको करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, one time it actually went wrong. So I stapled my own hand. There's nothing inside. Don't worry about it. There's nothing inside. Even this one. Nothing inside. You can actually check. You're the eyes of the audience. कुछ नहीं अंदर, right? Even if we pick the third one, there is nothing inside. But the last one, you're the eyes of the audience. इसके अंदर staples हैं. Almost हम बोलेंगे तो 30-40 staple होंगे इसके अंदर, ठीक है? I am going to cover it up. When I cover it up, I want you to shuffle all of them. ठीक है? उसको mix कर दो, एक दो इधर उधर कर दो, ताकि the only person who will know कि कौन से में है वो आप होगे. Done? Let's try this. I'm going to cover it up. हो दो सो बढ़िया चल रही लाइफ. गुड, ऑल गुड. हो सुनाओ. मैं चीटिंग हो. डन. Now the only person who knows which one is loaded, that's you, right? Let's change that. Close your eyes up, please, if you don't mind. ठीक है? When you're closing your eyes up, I am going to give them like a quick shuffle as well, just like this. Open your eyes up. Exactly. अभी आपको भी नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता, इनको नहीं पता, आलोक सर को नहीं पता, किसी को नहीं पता. मैं बताता हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name a number. 1, 2, 3 or 4.
4.
This one or this one?
This one.
Very good. I'm going to pick up number 4. Hold it just like this in shooting position. Shoot. See why the reaction was because I've done this trick almost 200 times. हमने 2400 shows किए हैं. This was my 2403rd show. But जब भी मैं 200 बार वो ट्रिक करता हूँ, not a toy. जब भी मैं 200 बार ये ट्रिक करता हूँ, तो what happens is every single time जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि आप शूट करो, they never shoot. But this cold-blooded murderer here. Who you guys?
She's a cold-blooded stapler.
Right. Who you guys? Right? Who you guys told me that she is not adventurous, but she tried. So 1, 2, and 3. Name a number. 1, 2, 3, ma'am.
1.
This side or this side?
Left side.
So ये one, right?
मैंने शूट करी अभी.
अरे नहीं, I was just kidding. Hold it just in shooting position. Very good.
मैंने.
अरे, that's fine. Shoot. That's fine. I'm giving you a consent. ठीक है? Don't worry. Shoot.
देखो कुछ हो गया तो.
कर दो बहन. 33% chance. Abhi close your eyes up and you can tell me to stop.
Stop.
Right there. Open your eyes up. Now I'm going to lift it up. Make sure it's locked and everything. Hold it in shooting position. Now see, I'm professional. हालांकि मेरा पहले एक बार गलत हुआ है, so don't be scared. Everything is going to be good. When I tell you to shoot, just shoot. Okay? अरे wait. I'm telling you. Don't worry about it. ठीक है? Don't worry about it. Shoot.
मैं जेल नहीं जाना मेरा.
अरे मैं कॉन्सेंट दे रहा हूँ ना, तो कहते हैं. But you are the eyes of the audience, nothing there. But if you open this one up, Give a big round of applause for it, guys. Big round of applause for it. Thank you so much.
मजा लिया मैंने आपकी लाइफ.
Exactly. Come right there. Oh, bhai sahab. This one was crazy. Exactly. I don't even know. अच्छा, let's try to do something with everybody. And this is a part of my show. अभी तक जो भी मैंने किया मेरे शो का पार्ट नहीं है. And show we do some next level stuff, right? So I want everybody to take your phones out. ओके ये वाली ट्रिक हम आपको नहीं दिखा सकते बिकॉज ये आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड टूर का पार्ट है जो कि मैंने अभी अनाउंस किया हुआ है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, यूके, यूरोप और इंडिया, हम 5 कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. 6 सिटीज़ हमने अनाउंस किए हैं अमेरिका और कनाडा के अंदर, लेकिन और भी सिटीज़ बहुत जल्दी ऐड करते रहेंगे. आप प्लीज़ चेक कर सकते हो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर anmol.magic या फिर anmolmagic.com के ऊपर सारी टिकट्स अवेलेबल होती हैं. बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं. टिल देन आप ये ट्रिक नहीं लेकिन और बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक्स हैं, आप वो एंजॉय कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. Maybe everything happens for a reason. इस बार मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं अपना ये टाइमर ओपन करता हूँ. I'll start it and I'll stop it. It happened at 1:49. This time I'll start it. I'll give the phone to you, ठीक है? तो अभी don't stop it till now. Whenever you feel like कुछ सेकंड के बाद stop it. तो एक बार stop कर देना. That's it. Did you get to a random number? Just stay right there, ठीक है? Sir, tell me to stop.
Stop.
We go to Shefali. Okay. Do you believe in coincidences?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. So one day के अंदर you were the player of the match. What did you score?
87.
What was the second where you stopped?
87.
No chance.
भाई साहब.
भाई साहब
आगे पीछे नहीं कर सकते.
2 विकेट भी थी.
Okay, but wait a second. You're wearing a ring right there, ma'am.
वो चोरी हो जाएगी.
No, this one. Can I borrow it for a second if you don't mind?
ये आ गया.
अरे I give it back 20% of the time. Don't worry. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take the ring, ठीक है? I'm going to take the ring, squeeze it up just like this, and it actually vanished. A lot of people say it goes up the sleeves or something. It's not up the sleeves. Thank you guys. You've been a lovely audience. Have a great day. I'm just kidding. The crazy part is when I snap, it goes back. Now I'm not that good. Not. अरे look at this. Nothing in my hand. If I go into my pants back pocket, मेरी पैंट की पिछली जेब के अंदर कुछ और है. It's not the ring. वो मेरी कार की चाबी है. So if I go into my pants back pocket, just right there, I grab my car keys out. और मेरी कार कीज के अंदर just right there, if you see, there is actually in a hook एक रिंग है, which is actually yours. मैं चाहता हूँ आप इमेजिन करो कि आप जैसे आपके जो आईलिड्स है वो हेवियर और हेवियर हो रहे हैं जैसे, ठीक है? Have you ever been hypnotized before or something like that? अरे this will be very cool. This will be very cool, ठीक है? This will be very relaxing before the show, ठीक है? Look at this. When I'm coming closer to your face, take a deep breath. Think of a comfortable situation. For me that will be कि मेरी मदर ने मेरे लिए साग कुक किया है और रोटी कुक की है और मैं उनके साथ बैठ के खा रहा हूँ और तो कुछ समथिंग वेरी कंफर्टेबल. तो जो भी कंफर्टेबल मैं खा रहा हूँ, मतलब आई विल बी सो कंफर्टेबल कि मैं वहां पे सो जाऊंगा. Did you? Very good. Try to go a little bit more up whenever you get this feeling. Whenever. When I clap, I want you to open your eyes up in 1, 2. See, you felt some touches and that's why you actually lifted up the hand. Did I touch her? No one touched you.
हैरी दी वीडियो देखो.
Did you felt the touch though?
Yeah.
Can you extend both the hands just like this? Extend both the hands just like this. I want you to close it just like make a fist just like this, right? दोनों हाथ भी fingers के बीच में gap रख लो. Squeeze your hand. Keep a gap just right there. Imagine यहाँ पर दोनों साइड पे एक magnet है and when I'm snapping, वो magnet ज़्यादा जैसे stronger होती जा रही है. Every single time when I snap, it actually gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And one time जब वो completely जुड़ जाते हैं, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a rope around just like this, squeeze it 1, 2, 3 times. Right now, if you properly believe in it, you will not be able to open it up, right? You'll actually feel like a resistance to it, right? But this right there is the power to open it up. So whenever I touch your forehead, you will immediately be able to open it up. Look, 1, 2, and you'll see now it's opening.
Oh yeah.
Give a big round of applause for your captain. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Are you right-handed or left-handed? Just like this. See, I don't want to touch you. I don't want to come close. Put your right hand down. ठीक है? बस नीचे कर लो उसको. Doesn't matter. आप बस left hand को ऐसे रखना. Make sure I don't come close. ठीक है? Very good. You make sure. अगर मैं close आया, just punch me up. Very good. Very good. Let's try it with. Ma'am, can you extend your hand just like this? And I'm going to draw something very small on your hand, just like a small X right there. ठीक है? Can you show to everybody what did I do? एक छोटा X, right? Very good. Very good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the X. It actually rubs off just like this. The ink actually goes to my finger. I'm going to take the ink just like this, throw it up to the end, just like that. See, I didn't touch you, sir. I didn't go close. We never came close. I never touched you. Open your hand up. Show it to everybody, sir. You'll see there's a. Show it to them, sir. Show it to them. Show it to them.
रेनू को विकेट कैसे लेने कब कैसे करी क्यों
Next time,
ये तो फोन खोल दो एक बारी
we'll try something.
मेरे को पता करना है किसके से
अरे नहीं. But how many digits of password do you have on your phone, though?
6
When was the last time you changed it? कितने टाइम पहले चेंज किया था last time?
2-3 साल पहले
Think of the first number. Can we try? Think of the first digit of your password.
फोन तो कर ले.
Think of the second digit of your password. Think of the third digit of your password. एक नंबर आपके पासवर्ड में रिपीट हो रहा है, 2 बार आ रहा है, and that's a 0. Can I borrow your phone for a second if you don't mind? And can I? क्योंकि
उसके बाद मेरे को देना.
can you count from 1 to 10? Can you count from 1 to 10? You out loud.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
182003. Beautiful password. Beautiful password. Give me a point.
अभी गर्लफ्रेंड सेव है क्या
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है.
नहीं है आप
इसीलिए नहीं है. इसीलिए नहीं है. ठीक है? अभी रैप अप करते हैं. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. 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 Thank you so much.
You got one.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.